Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn colors and numbers using Play-doh. Can you guys name all the colors that we have? If you can't, don't worry, I'm going to do it with you. First we have pink. Next is purple. This is orange. This is red. And this is blue. Let's count all the numbers that we have on the table right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 different colors. Here I have a pink ball and the pink bear. Great, now I'm going to put them all together. I'm going to show you a surprise. Guess what I have here? Yes, it is a cow. We're going to make our cows with our Play-dohs. Great! Here's our cow, guys. So we have turned a pink bear into a pink cow. Yay! Good job, guys. I'm going to put him right here. Next is purple ball and a purple bear. Now I'm going to squish them together. Great! Now let's make a cow. Here we have a purple cow. So we have turned a purple bear into a purple cow. Good job, guys. Next I have an orange ball and an orange bear. I'm going to squish them together. Ooh! Now the bear is gone. But we're going to make another cow. Here's a cow shape. And here's a cow. Wow! So cool, guys! So we have turned an orange bear into an orange cow. Yay! Next I have a red ball and a red bear. Great! Now let's make the cow. Wow. So this is a red cow. And we have turned a red bear into a red cow. Good job, guys. Woo. Lastly, I have a blue bull and a blue bear. Let's merge them together. Great. Now the bear is gone, but we're going to make another cow. Here's a cow, guys. Here's a blue cow. Blue cow. And we have turned a blue bear into a blue cow. Good job. Okay guys, here's a cow. They're ready to go out now and spend the day on the pasture. Good job guys for making the cows. They look so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.